Resources are the foundation of Snowray, and it is the resources page where they can be explored. In this video, we will go through the many options that this page has to offer. To recap, the resources page collects and displays the available resources in a list view, which can be browsed and searched. When visiting the resources page, you will see your dedicated page with the resources that you own. But if you are a member of an organization, you can switch to its resources page here. Resources have visual indicators referring to the type, the status, release tag, or member count within the list itself. While if you select a row, the right-hand side panel converts into a quick details section, listing the most important metadata about the selected resource. To open a resource, you either have to click on the title, which will take you to its overview tab, or you can double-click on the selected row, which will open the Content tab. In case of bundles, the double-click will go one level down and open the contents of selected bundle in the list. Using the search bar here, you can look for specific resources. Just type in your search term, hit Enter, and the matching results will be displayed. To see the available filter options, just click on the dedicated filter button, and you will see that you can refine your search by filtering for resource type, status, and visibility. You can also combine the different filters, so for example, you can filter for concept maps in draft status. Organizing resources is also possible through the bulk actions, which is accessible by pressing this button. Now you can select the resources you want to move by ticking the corresponding checkboxes and then click Move. The only thing left to do is to choose the bundle in which you want to place your resources. And that's all. Your resources page structure will be updated accordingly. The resources page features a Shared with Me tab as well, which lists resources that are owned by other users or organizations, but you are granted access to them. The layout of this list is the same as the main resources page layout, and you have the same functionalities. If you have resource files that conform to file format, you can import them from the resources page using this button here. Just select your resource type and drag your file to the designated area. Once the import process completes, you will find your resource in the list. Finally, it is also the resources page where you can create new resources. But more on that will come in a later video. Thanks for watching.